everybody, just turning into another express car wash. We are at Rio Car Wash, which is now Go Car Wash. Kind of stumbled what the car wash was here. But it is now Go Car Wash. It was formerly a Rio Car Wash location. Little differences include there used to be a Buff and Shine by Sonny's, the top brush, but now they have replaced them with NCS Ryko McNeil dryers with air knife. So we'll go ahead here and in series sequence, we'll go ahead and figure out what wash we can get here, which would be the biggest one, 22. Thank you to you too, friend.
Please take your receipt.
All right, and we got some cars in front of us. And go nice and slow so we don't like go bumper to bumper. One of the most pet peeves about car washes, everyone, is bumper to bumper traffic as they put people on the conveyor as much as possible, and I don't like that. And especially Tommy's Express, ooh, they are the worst at doing that. I'm sorry. Going a little bit here, let the sun get out. This is a nice big bay. All right. And I thought the lights were having some problems, like it won't give me the right wash, but it did give me the right wash. So overall, that was a great wash. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out, everybody.